Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. If you're watching, I know you're excited, and go Kansas, go Philly. If you're not a Super Bowl girly or lady or man or boy, I'm glad you're here. So today I thought we would talk about something really fun and really simple for everybody that has trouble writing in a journal every single day. I'm going to give you the ultimate secret, and it's even less work than a line-a-day journal, which I did talk about in 2021, and I will link above right there. This is a word-a-day journal, and it's that simple. One word a day. And it doesn't even have to be in a journal. You don't have to spend any money to do this. You can use an index card, divide it into 8 boxes, put the week's dates, like the week of 2/13. That's this coming week. You'll draw it down the middle, and then you'll draw it to where you have 8 little squares. In one square, you can do it the first one, week of 2/13. In each additional square, you can write one word a day. And that is a great way for all those that have trouble journaling regularly. It's also a great way if you happen to get you're in a creative slump. Go back and look at your one word a day, and you're going to start to see patterns and get ideas, and it's going to spark all sorts of creativity. So where do you get your word? From anywhere. Anywhere. And I'm not kidding. You could actually open up a dictionary, close your eyes, flip through some pages, and pop your finger down, and I am on, let me get my glasses, and I am on hoot owl. And you could cut out the word hoot owl, you could write the word hoot owl down, whatever you wanted to do. This is a great way. And look how many words are in here. You could do that for years and still not be done. You could also take words from any book or magazine you're reading. You could take words from your favorite podcast. Maybe you're listening to somebody and they're talking about, anxiety or sunshine, or your favorite brand of coffee, and you could write coffee and the favorite brand name, or you could write sunshine, summer, or you could write winter, whatever, your favorite seasons, your favorite clothes, your favorite makeup, your favorite hair products. Any word you can think of that day that jumps in your head, write it down as your word of the day. And the journal, again, it doesn't have to be a journal. Sure, it can be a journal if that's what you want to do. But if you want to keep it simple, you're already having trouble writing in a journal, right? So maybe keep making a journal or even buying a journal you just don't want to do. Take the index card, like I said earlier, half it down the middle, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. They're not even, but you get the idea. In the first square, like I said, week of 2/13. And then in the 7 blocks, I'll write a word a day. Okay? You could also use something like, if you happen to have like this from Tim Holtz or any other word or stamps, use those. Stamp a word in, or open this up and look at the phrases and pick one word out of a phrase, break it off, and stick it on. It can be any word, and this is the easiest way. This is the easiest way to start to get in that habit of journaling. But it's a word a day. What are you talking about? You do this for a while, and you're going to find out, oh, okay, well, I said sunshine. Well, I want to put more to it. So then you find out, oh, I graduated from word-a-day journals to line-a-day journals. Remember, I linked that card above back at the beginning. Okay, so then you write line a day, and then you're writing a paragraph a day, then you're writing pages. I tell you, it's the perfect way to jumpstart that journaling process if you want to do it. There's another thing you can do. Maybe words aren't your thing. A picture a day. If you're an artist and you'd rather doodle or draw a picture a day. Same thing. Before long, you're going to have an art journal. Okay? It's amazing how this one little simple exercise will get you journaling or drawing in your art journal every day. It really is. And remember when I said this will help when you get into a creative slump too? It will. Because you're going to go back and look at this and you're going to see maybe that a week has themes. Oops, guess what's about to die? So maybe you're in that creative slump, right? And you go back and you're just thumbing through this because you're doing this because you feel like you have to do something even though you don't want to, you don't have any creativity, but you've written your words a day for maybe 2 or 3 weeks and you're just kind of sitting there looking back at it going, yeah, look at that. Oh, why did I put sunshine, yellow, daffodils? What inspired that? Oh, maybe I can make a daffodil journal. It is getting to be warm outside. And the process just builds. And before you know it, your creativity is back, sparked off one word or a week's worth of words. So share this idea. Share this idea with your friends that want a journal but just can't get into it. Share this idea with those people that, want to start an art journal, but they're just kind of intimidated by the bigger journal, whether it's writing or drawing, okay? Because sometimes when you get a big journal, like we've seen all of us have, like this, when you see a journal this big, it can be intimidating, especially if you're just beginning. And then you sit there and you stare at the blank page and you're like, I don't know, maybe I'll start tomorrow. And you put it down. So if you don't start that way, but you start with a word a day, and then you go to a line a day, it's amazing how it works. So anyway, guys, I hope this kind of sparks some creativity for those that might be in a slump. I hope this kind of gave those that want to start a journal but are kind of fearful because it is intimidating, and I get it. I was intimidated at first as well. I hope this helps. If you're journaling away but you know somebody who needs some help, share this idea with them. Thanks for being here today, guys. I will see you next week. We've got a lot of videos coming your way. Have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.